Missing something in your life? Wake up with us.
Good morning.
Catch up with This Morning Show.
To visit the girls' parents, not introduction, ile rorashio kupeleka things.
Okay.
Now,
Wait, is your friend meeting these parents for the very first time?
No. Sasa ndo anaenda ile ya kama traditional wedding. Okay.
Hey.
Now, he's a worried guy. Him is like, he's never been. Unajua kitu ladies you do over 5 ladies. Lesos.
Yes.
Then you have to guess.
You have to guess which one is yours. Yeah, I've seen this.
So he's really akona pressure. So we were talking in WhatsApp groups like, guys, I don't know what to do. I don't want to embarrass my family because your family always tells you usituaibishe.
Okay.
And I thought, and I sat down and I was like, first of all, I think this is rubbish. I don't understand why it's still being done. It is rubbish.
Let me tell you, the tradition is I love it. You know why? Number one, it creates some bit of humor. Number two, it's so that we can see if you really know your woman. Do you know the way she smells? Do you know how her fingertips look, her nails?
But
Do you know
they're
her
covered
height?
completely. How am I supposed to know?
No, there's a number 3. And the real lesson in this, and I'm surprised that I'm the one telling you this, is to create that thing of you need to create some sort of special code between just you and your wifey to be. You know, there's techniques to this. Like you tell your chile, you paint your nails this color and you wear open shoes. So then I'll look at your feet and know.
Let me tell you
New
something.
janges.
I'll wear a certain bracelet or I'll hold my hands a certain way behind my back.
I devised a plan and I told him, listen, we are going to be wajanjas, even us.
Sawa.
5 chicks, all in lessons. Okay? It's okay. Go with 5 bags. 5 black bags. One of the bags will have the dowry money.
Okay.
Okay? So if the guy has to guess which one is the lady, the family of the lady also has to guess which bag has money. And if you get the bag with 5,000 shillings, that is your dowry. Are we together?
By
We
the
are
way,
together.
Do you think that works? Do you think it's fair?
I think it will be shock value
Very
for the
fair.
family.
See, even me, you wanted to give me shock value by choosing. I am bringing 5 bags. Zingine najaza makaratasi. Zingine, one has 1,000,000 shillings. One has 100,000. One has just paper, newspapers,
Tunakupiga.
and 5,000. Now, the same way you expect me to choose amongst these 5 ladies, mgani oni wangu, you will choose amongst those 5 bags. If you land on 5,000 shillings, that is the dowry.
Do you believe this plan is legit? Do you believe it is fair? Or do you think this is disrespectful to the parents of the girl child? Let us know.
Don't miss the best moments of the biggest mornings.
Good morning.
Energy Breakfast Club. Waking you up weekdays from 6.